They is, bro.
Both of them.
They is, bro. I think he might got him a little bit over there.
That's what I said too, but listen, I need to get a little closer. That's what I need to.
They both flawless though.
They broke. I like how he did. I ain't gonna lie. This gonna be a tough one, right?
Bruh, online I was like, nah, I thought this was gonna get him, but in person, that bitch
Bruh, let me tell you something. You cannot judge this shit from no phone. You gotta come out here and look at it.
These motherfuckers flawless,
That's
bro.
the reason I paid this money. I want to come look at this shit.
is tough, but God damn. Look at that. God. Oh yeah. Hey, but it be hard in person. Golly. That's the man right there.
How you doing, sir?
Good, bro. How you doing, bro? I love it, bro.
We're trying.
Yes, sir. How long it took you build it?
15 months.
15 months. Y'all did that, bro. Congrats in advance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. We're going to go check out the other ones. Hey, appreciate you, big dog. Appreciate you. That bitch here beautiful, boy. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Good God Almighty. First place. This is nasty. God. Let me get this deuce, brother. What's happening?
What's going on, man?
Cool, you alright? Yeah. I was looking for you. I seen you posted up out here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You got it looking good, dog.
Appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Left car home?
Yeah. I flew down.
They got the hat over there, right?
Huh?
The hat. I'm looking at this hat.
Yeah, they got them over there. And you know you can't get them if you ain't here.
Yeah.
I was trying to order them. They were sold out, so I bought 2 of them. But you got one in there though?
No, but I want because I got the purple vert.
I got you. Yeah, no, they 70. He texted.
Okay. This is the dad's car.
No, my dad's car is 7 Street in Darrow. This one in my purple vert.
See, I have my dad's car, but it's a Ford. And what I was trying to do was when you brought your dad out, he was like, turn it up.
Yeah.
Turn it up. So see my halfway and it's a Ford. And that Ford is it's a Lincoln. Well, when I get done with it, if I get there and done with it,
Yeah, I'm gonna do something like we in a passing day. Yeah.
You got a bar back here, don't you?
Yeah. $20.
Hey, I love it. I
got 1, 2, 5.
Huh.
Man, that big block up on the hood, baddest motor in here.
My man, let me check you out.
Yeah, baddest one in here. Okay.
Oh yeah. Woo! Yes, sir. Got a man under the hood now. God damn. Twin turbo, I don't know, all kind of shit. Tell me about it, bro. What's going on with it? Tell me what I'm looking at.
That's that 565 Maryland twin supercharged.
That's what I thought. You got a lot going on, but what she make? I'm with the horsepower.
I mean, I ain't put it on the machine yet, but I'm gonna say 12 close to 1,000. She ball. I mean, ate up the street. She good.
Yeah.
Baddest, brace, ran, all gold and money.
It's beautiful, bro. And you don't see a lot of the photos.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
I love that.
I make respect.
Yes, sir. Put some respect. I got to build myself. I got a Skylark.
Yeah, AC work too.
AC? Yeah.
Yeah.
How long it took you to build it? 3 years. You race it? You race it?
No, just straight car.
Yes, sir. But it's there if you need it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down to that on Speedway and get a little couple sessions.
Yeah. That's tomorrow. Okay, yeah.
That's tomorrow.
Yes, sir. I follow you. Yeah, because I seen it. Y'all boys be going back and forth.
Yeah,
I love the banter. You feel me? Yeah. No, but you got it looking good, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, brother. Yep.
motion, baby, phone clapping just like two hands. I don't need no reflection. In the hood like who's down. Get my shade, get it. Morning, noon, and night. I can't see all the walls keep looking at me. I tell myself there's nothing wrong.
Big Faye, huh?